video tutorial is only for existing flagpoles where the older worn halyard is still in place and functional, however, needing replacement. Lower the existing flag and remove it from the halyard. If the flag is in good condition, properly fold and set aside to be reinstalled at a later point. Take caution so as to not allow the flag to touch the ground. Remove existing grommet snap clips from halyard. If you are working with an external halyard flagpole, locate the knot tying off the cut ends. Untie the knot. Be careful not to pull too hard on one end of the halyard, thereby displacing it through the truck and falling to the ground. Taking one end of the untied halyard, begin wrapping at an angle with electrical tape approximately 3 inches from the end of the halyard. Be sure to pull the electrical tape tightly to create a firm bond to the existing halyard. Once you are close to the end of the existing halyard, butt one end of the new halyard to the end of the existing halyard. Continue wrapping the electrical tape at an angle onto the new halyard approximately 3 inches. Then, backtrack on the new halyard as well as continuing over the existing halyard with one more pass of electrical tape. Ensure to pull on the electrical tape tightly so as to minimize the outside diameter of the splice and therefore making it easier to pull through the truck pulley. Gently pull on the old halyard to begin raising the new halyard towards the flagpole truck. Once you've reached the truck location, gently pull and work the spliced position through the pulley. This should be done slowly so as to not break the splice. Continue pulling on the halyard until you are able to reach the splice. Begin removing the electrical tape on the splice and properly dispose of the old halyard. For external halyard flagpoles, pull both ends of the halyard to the base of the pole and trim off any unneeded halyard. When trimming synthetic halyard, cut with a sharp blade. Using a lighter, slowly burn the ends of the halyard to eliminate fraying at the ends. Allow the burnt ends to cool before touching, so as to avoid getting burned. Take both ends of the halyard and tie off as a square knot. Try to leave as little of the halyard ends exposed. Now it is time to reattach the grommet snap clips to your new halyard. If an external halyard flagpole, make a full wrap using the strands of halyard around the base of the cleat with the square knot created earlier at about chest height. Reattach the first grommet snap clips to the new halyard. Attach the top edge of the flag grommet to the newly installed grommet snap clips. While holding the flag slightly taut with one hand, draw down on the halyard with your other hand to locate the best position for the second grommet snap clip. Attach the second grommet snap clip to the new halyard and then the flag's remaining grommet. Ensure the flag will not touch the ground. If needed, untie the halyard from the cleat and raise the flag slightly and retie to the cleat. Unwrap the halyard from the cleat and raise your flag to full staff. Tie off the halyard as shown in the video How to Tie Off Halyard on your external halyard flagpole cleat.